Good afternoon, beautiful souls. Jessica here with Goddess Speaks, and today we're going to do a ritual that allows us to release and unblock obstacles out of our way. With that said, this is all about forgiveness, and yes, I've seen a lot of naysayers on this, but it's absolutely 100% true that when we forgive, we have a major energy shift, and this is in the positive, because when we are not forgiving, we are holding on to negative emotions like resentment, anger, hurt, grudges, and this creates blocks and obstacles for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay this down to the universe, allow it to take the weight and unburden ourselves so that we are open to the free flow of the positive energy we need to manifest the life that we want.